Welcome back to the program, everyone. Interest rates are rising, which can mean major benefits for your savings goals, and Members First Federal Credit Union can help. Mike Wilson is back with us this morning to offer some financial freedom when it comes to the current rate environment. Thank you so much for being here with us. Welcome back.
Happy to be here. Thank you.
Great to have you. So can you talk about the current rate environment and exactly how it can affect our savings goals?
Absolutely. I mean, well, it really kind of depends on whether you are saving or looking to spend right now, but it's no secret that interest rates are starting to climb.
Right.
But the good news with that is interest rates on certificates are expected to climb as well, which could be a great way for you to save money.
Interesting. So certificates are something that you're starting to hear more about during a time like this. Can you explain to our viewers what certificates are and what kind of options does Members First have?
Sure. Simply put, a certificate means that you are earning money on funds that you have deposited.
Okay.
So in its simplest terms, that's really the best way to explain it. But I know, I could tell you at Members First, we've got really, multiple options for people. So the good news is there is a certificate type for everyone. Three of the most common types are, those with flexible terms, those with, it would be called a no penalty. So should you need access to your money immediately for some reason, you can withdraw that with no penalty or fee. And the other would be called a bump up, which means you open your certificate. If for whatever reason the rate would start to rise, you don't miss out on that opportunity.
Okay, so a little something for everybody in terms of
something for
comfort
everybody.
level.
That's right.
We
Yep.
love that. So for those who aren't familiar, why are these certificate products so beneficial? You kind of just talked about that, but why should people really be involved with that?
Yeah, everybody has a goal.
Yeah.
So whether it's retirement, whether it's a rainy day fund, a down payment on a house, whatever have you. But in times like these, you may be looking to maximize your opportunity. So something like a high rate certificate may be a good fit. And right now, for example, we are promoting an 18-month certificate with a high rate. The important thing to know is that rates are subject to change, so
Right,
that could change at any time, and timing means everything with things like this.
Gotcha. So how can someone open a certificate with Members First?
Well, very easy. We've got a couple of options. I think the biggest thing I would say is, you don't need to be an expert. That's our job. So we have over 60 branches all across central Pennsylvania. Anybody can come in, sit down with one of our folks. We'd be happy to talk about your goals, help you figure out what's going to be the best option for you. So if you want to do that, we'll have that consultative conversation. If not, very, very easy. You can go to membersfirst.org, and we can certainly help you get started there.
And is there any sort of requirement that people need to know about, or a certain age or anything like that?
No. Options for everyone. And again, we're happy to help at one of our branches. Our associates would love to see you. We're relationships people. But if timing is of the essence and you need that convenience, membersfirst.org will have you squared away.
All right, Mike, thank you so much for
Thank
being here.
you.
We appreciate your time. Thanks to Mike, and also thanks to Members First Federal Credit Union for sponsoring this segment. Stay with us. We'll be back.